Hello, this is Mike. I'm professional with ice machine. Today is November 14th, 2024. Here I'm making a video to show 10 start of a 5-ton per day capacity seawater flake ice evaporators or seawater flake ice generators. 5, another 5. These flake ice evaporators are specifically designed to work in marine condition. For seawater ice making in fishing boat, they are ready for ice making after being connected with a 40 horsepower compressing and condensing unit. The user just needs to connect the 2 copper pipes between the compressing condensing unit and these flake ice evaporators. Everything in touch with seawater, sea wind, or salty ice is made of a stainless steel 316, including the top, the bottom. The bottom is hiding inside. The cover of the heat insulated layer, the bottom frame, the water tank, and these 2 inlet water valves. They are all made of a stainless steel 316, completely anti-corrosive to seawater or sea wind. Now let's check the inside of the flake ice evaporators. We can see the vertical lines on the evaporators that can improve the ice harvesting efficiency. It can greatly improve the efficiency of the ice harvesting. Ice layers will be removed from the evaporators very smoothly, and these vertical lines can greatly improve the efficiency of the heat exchange between the seawater and the freon. This is the hand valves. It's made of a stainless steel 316. It can also make the water flow adjustable. We can see the hand valves, and also here. So the water flow is adjustable. We must mention that these flake ice evaporators bottom is higher inside. They are higher than normal, and the higher bottom will prevent the water come out when the boat shake or tilt. The number 2 step we take to prevent the water coming out from the bottom is to make the evaporator located on a higher level. This is the higher level, located on a higher level than the water tank. So the water will go all the way down into the tank and be kept inside. The water circulation goes on, and no water will stay in the bottom. So there's no chance for the water to come out from the bottom. That is the 2 things we did to prevent the water coming out from the bottom. Okay, these machines are ready for delivery now. We're going to load them into one 40-feet container.